Hey guys, my name is Spencer Meekum. I'll apologize a little bit ahead of time for my audio. I work from home and I have a lot of kids running around my house every day, which probably a lot of us can relate to. So I have these awesome headphones that can completely eliminate any outside sound, but the audio tends to be just a little bit lower quality because of that. But the perk of that is you don't have to listen to kids screaming or babies crying. So uh, let's dive in here. Like I said, my name is Spencer Meekum. I want to talk all about YouTube. I am of the opinion that every single business-minded entrepreneur, side hustler, anybody looking to run businesses online should incorporate YouTube into their strategy for gaining leads. And in my opinion, it should be their primary strategy for gaining leads. And I'll try to convince you of that in this, where we're going to talk really and try to focus on your first 10,000. So this isn't how to make $1 million on YouTube type of training. This is for anybody who's saying, I'm in side hustle mode still. I want to get to where I can quit my job and get away from this. I want to get that first big hump of $10,000. And so we're not going to make you a YouTube guru or anything. Instead, I'm going to focus on making money, which is why most of you are here. So we're going to kind of move through. I do very simple slides. Sorry, I'm not a graphic designer or anything. You'll see I keep very simple structure as I go, but I will try to be very I will try to be very detailed, and I'll actually hop on and show you my screen throughout most of this things that I'm talking about. So I think you'll find it better that way. Who am I? So I'm an affiliate marketer. I'll talk a lot about affiliate marketing in this. Hopefully most of you already know what affiliate marketing is. If not, I'll touch on it just a little bit. And then I'm also, I call myself more of a content creator. I'm big on YouTube and I'm big on TikTok is where I kind of spend most of my time. I have two YouTube channels. So I've got one called Buildapreneur, and we'll kind of hop on here and show you that. Buildapreneur has about 180,000 subscribers as of now. You can see this is me right here. It focuses on kind of what we're going to talk about in this actual video. And then I also run another channel that a lot of people don't know called Wealth Hacks. Okay, and you can see we'll click over to that. And this is a channel we're actually going to focus a little more on what I do on this channel than what I do on Buildapreneur, where I do more of a thought leader type of content. And on Wealth Hacks, I do more. It's a YouTube channel that is created to make money. And we'll show you lots of examples on this channel because that's more of what we're going to be doing in this. Now, I'll surprise a lot of people and say, I think I've made more in affiliate commissions off of this channel with a quarter of the subscribers as this channel this year because of the strategies that we're going to talk about.
Get access to the same 5-star rated all-in-one marketing platform that Spencer uses to build his affiliate marketing assets. It has all the tools you need to market, sell, and deliver your offers. You can easily create high-converting funnels, websites, blogs, courses, memberships, communities, webinars, plus email marketing and incredible automation tools. You can even build e-commerce stores and manage affiliates all in one place. They will even migrate your existing business for free. How cool is that? For a limited time, you can get up to 40% off right now and over $6,000 in free bonuses when you sign up today. These start at an insanely low $16 per month. Go to systembonus.com now or click link 2 in the description before this offer ends.
I already made a slide about it. I forgot about that. So here I am, Wealth Hacks and Buildapreneur, my two channels. I want to talk about why YouTube for 3 minutes, and then we'll hopefully convince everyone that there is no better route, and then we'll dive in and make this happen. So I've been on YouTube since 2017. Now I've been side hustling, trying to make money online since 2015. I went through a journey very similar to most people where I did everything, right? I did drop shipping, I did Instagram, I did blogging, I did it all, and I saw very little success. And the last thing I tried before I moved into YouTube was Instagram. And what I was doing, and maybe you can relate to this, I was actually posting things on Instagram every day, and I would follow and unfollow people. So I had a bot, and maybe some of you guys remember these days. I would follow and unfollow 1,000 people a day, and then when they would follow me back, some of them would, then I would be like, hey, and I'd reach out and I would actually send them a message and try to get them to buy something as an affiliate. Now, at some point in there, I changed my strategy, and instead I sent them a message and tried to get them to take a free course that I created on the stock market. And I said, sign up for this free course if you want to learn to trade stocks. And I made a little mini course. It was 3 videos long. And as I made that course, I uploaded it to YouTube. So I was looking for just somewhere to host my 3 videos, right? And I was like, oh, I don't, something free. This is YouTube. I'll host it in YouTube, and then I'll just embed my YouTube videos somewhere else. And that's what I did. And then I continued to unfollow and unfollow people. And when they would reach out, I'd say, hey, here's the free course, put in your email address, and then they would get access to these 3 YouTube videos, right? I just send them the 3 videos and say, here's your free training. And uh, surprisingly, following and unfollowing people was something Instagram wasn't happy with, and my account was banned within a few months of that. And it was one of those low points that we all have, right, where we stop. We say, okay, I've been trying this, it failed. I'm gonna go back to just living my life since this online stuff doesn't work, and that's what I did. And 3-4 months later, we had a baby, and I started to have a little more time. I was hanging around the house more. I took off a week from work and stuff like that, and I got these notifications saying I was making money, and I was beyond surprised. Where's this affiliate commissions coming from? I haven't done this in months. Did like my Instagram account magically show up? And it hadn't. And it comes to turn out this Wealth Hacks channel, which is the first channel that I ever created, was actually getting these videos that I had uploaded months ago, right, with no intent to monetize or anything. It was just a place for me to host my course videos for my Instagram account. Those videos were blowing up, and I'll scroll down to kind of show you those videos. Looks like my internet's going really slow right now, so we may have to pause for a quick. I may have to pull on a different pull file here and show you, but I want to show you the numbers on those videos to help you kind of understand how crazy this was for me. This was the video. Okay, how to buy shares of stock. Okay, pretty ugly thumb. I'm not impressing any of you with that thumbnail right there. And not even a great title, right? How to buy shares of stock. But if we go to the analytics on this video, right, and we go to since uploaded, you can see here this video has gotten 185,000 views right about here, right? 3 months after I uploaded it, okay, or 2 or 3 months after I uploaded it, it was suddenly getting thousands of views every single day. It was making me thousands of dollars in revenue just from YouTube ad money. It was driving people to sign up for an affiliate link that I had done. It was crazy, right? And I had never intended that. This was just part of my training on how to buy shares of stock, right? You can see I clearly was not trying to do anything crazy here. And you can go back and watch that video and look at the actual video and see that it was, in fact, not a great video. It was a very simple training. So that was a learning moment for me. Okay, we'll go back into here. That was when I pivoted to YouTube, and the reason I pivoted to YouTube is I came to realize that one, you can create content. Like, you don't have to be creating exceptional content. You don't have to be this entertainer to make money and succeed on YouTube. And two, YouTube is the longest game in the world, right? Now, I can make a video and then I can go have a baby, live my life, forget about that video, and 5 months later, that video can start generating me a lot of money. And I'd done a lot of research into real estate investing at the time, and that concept was crazy to me. And I couldn't get into real estate. I didn't have money to get into real estate. And so to me, it was like, this is like real estate. Like, I can make this video, right? And that's free. And that video, if it has, if the video does well, it can make me money for years. You saw that video did about 3 years. It continued to make me money every single day, which is pretty wild considering I put about 2 hours into it. So YouTube is so powerful, and there's so many different directions you can take. You don't have to be an entertainer. You don't have to be anything. All you have to do is help people on YouTube. And if you can be the person who's the most helpful, you can make a lot of money, no matter if you have the worst mic, the worst video, the worst, you don't have the worst camera and all set up and all that fun stuff. If you can be the person that can help people, you can make money very easily on YouTube. A lot of people come to YouTube with credit cards in their hand. So we're going to talk exactly about how to do that. I hope you've committed at this point. You're going to have a YouTube channel, and you're going to make money with a YouTube channel, and you're going to make this work for you, because there is no greater feeling than knowing that you can disappear for a month and not have your income affected. So you want to do it. Let's dive in. Let's talk about how to make your first $10,000 on YouTube.